Hello and welcome to another edition of Pop Masterpiece Theatre, where we look at classic works of art played out with Funko Pops. This week, focusing on Macbeth, Act 1. Where shall we three meet again? In thunder, lightning, or in rain? When the hurly-burly's done, when the battle's lost and won. That will be ere the set of sun. Where the place? Upon the heath, there to meet with Macbeth. Fair is foul, and foul is fair, hover through the fog and filthy air.
Scene 2, wherein King Duncan finds out what's going on.
Tell me about what's going on with this battle in Scotland right now.
Okay.
Flashback. Everything was going really poorly. Just go back and forth until our hero, Macbeth, decided to do something pretty gruesome and ended up winning. The battle is now ours. Huzzah!
So, what are we going to do? I heard that there was this guy who betrayed me. I want him dead, and I want you to take his title and go greet Macbeth with it.
Will do! Scene 3, in which Macbeth finds out some really good stuff. All of a sudden, when they're in the wilderness, some witches appear. Poof!
Hey, I got some prophecies for you, Macbeth. You'll be Thane of Glamis. You will be Thane of Cawdor. You will be the king, eventually.
How is this even possible? The Thane of Cawdor still lives! Why you acted so scared of something that sounds so good? Hey, witches! Talk to me and give me a prophecy. I'm not scared of what you have to say.
Ah, lesser than Macbeth, but greater. Not much happy, but much happier.
You will not be a king, but you will give birth to kings one day. Sounds great. Woo! And... where did they go? They were just here. I don't know. Did this really happen, man? It seems kind of fishy to me.
I bring news from the king that you are now Thane of Cawdor.
Gasp. If that could be true, then that means that other things could be true too. Am I going to have to kill the king to become the king? Well, if fate will have me king, then it will crown me without my stir. So, I'm not going to do anything. Scene 4, in which Macbeth's plans get slightly foiled. They show up at the king because he wants to praise them, and he says,
Oh, hey, thanks for all the good job that you did, and we really like you. Oh, but everybody, I got some news. I'm going to make my son Malcolm king of Scotland next.
Dun-dun! Oh no, what does that mean? The Prince of Cumberland, that is a step on which I will either fall down or leap over, for in my way it lies. Translation, I gotta do something about that prince. Yeah. Scene 5. Lady Macbeth hears good news. So a letter comes to her and she's reading it, and her husband is telling her all about the wonderful things that just happened, and yet she is slightly suspicious. I don't think that my husband can do this. He's way too kind and soft-hearted. If we're going to get this kingship, then I need to take matters into my own hands. I know what I'll do. I'll whisper little things in his ear, and I'll chastise him or make fun of him every time he does something wrong, and eventually he'll end up becoming the king that I need him to be. Hey, honey, how are you? How was your day? Oh, it's pretty good. Oh, by the way, we have to kill the king. No. He just promoted me recently, and I think it's a bad idea, so we're going to talk on this further. Oh, you just leave all the rest to me, Snickums. Scene 6, in which the king comes to visit.
I like your house.
Thanks. Scene 7, in which crap gets real. So, I've been thinking about it some more, and I've decided that we're not going to kill the king. What? What? Do you mean we're not going to kill the king? You're the one who came up with this plan. But I'm putting my foot down because he's a really good guy and I don't think that he should die. Plus, I'm his host and I should be helping keep him safe, not try to kill him. And I'm his subject, so I should be loyal to my king. I thought that you were man enough. When you came up with this plan to get the kingship, I thought you were man enough, but you must have been drunk now, and you're just a coward. Prithee peace, woman, I'm everything that is a man. I'm the manliest man that ever did man. Yeah, right. You're just too afraid to get your hands dirty. You're not going to do what needs to be done. But, you are just a child and a coward. I should have known all along. But, what if we fail? Well, screw your courage to the sticking place, and we'll not fail. Here's the plan. So, we're going to wait until they fall asleep and get Duncan's guards really pass out drunk. When they are out like a light, you're going to sneak in and we're going to murder Duncan because no one will be there to protect him. Oh, yeah. And if we use the guards' weapons and plant them back on their bodies, it'll totally make it look like they did it. Yeah, you got it. And because we want to seem like we are innocent and this is our house and it could be really suspicious, we're going to make a big scene crying and screaming and all that sort of stuff in front of everybody. All right, I guess we're going through with this.